Guys, welcome to another edition of the Mark Broader Show. Beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Mark Broader Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so today be going over the crypto watch list. Crypto in general has been going up, so definitely gonna be talking over some of the things on the watch list. Hope everybody's having a great week of trading. Crypto still on a bullish run up, so let's go over the watch list. So first one on here we have ticker sign BTC, which is for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at 45,500 at the time of this stream, and we can see on the 30-day they're up 39.73%. On the 24-hour they're up 0.01%, and on the 1 hour they're up 0.11%. So Bitcoin having a nice little rally overall. The 24-hour, the 7-day, and 30-day all looking positive on Bitcoin. So definitely, hopefully, continue that upward trend for Bitcoin. But overall, Bitcoin looking very nice overall. Next, we have Ethereum. Ethereum is looking nice as well. The 30 days up 63.31%. We also have the 7-day, they're up 12.01%. 24-hour, based on USD, which is fiat, is up 0.44%. And the 1 hour is up 0.37%. So Ethereum having a nice little rally. They're currently around 3,169. So definitely looking very bullish on Ethereum. Make sure you put your price targets down for all of these as well. Will definitely help people out in the chat. Ethereum, I think, is going to continue to go up. I've seen crazy price points for Ethereum, like around 10K a coin. For Bitcoin, I've seen people talk about that 100K mark being kind of like the target. I haven't really seen Bitcoin get up in the 60Ks until about, well, it was like a year ago, almost around this time. So Bitcoin definitely on its way to getting back to that 65K all-time high. Next, we have Cardano. So Cardano's at all-time highs. They're up 44.10% on the 30-day. 7-day, they're up 31.40%. So looking very nice on Cardano. Cardano definitely looking good overall. They're at $1.83. So definitely rallying on Cardano. On the 24-hour, they're up 7.95%, and on the 1 hour, they're up 3.01%. So all of the metrics looking positive on Cardano. Definitely going to see where they can go. I've seen some people say Cardano could potentially get to $4, but we'll see if that happens. $2, I think, is the real mark that a lot of people are looking at for Cardano. Next, we have XRP. XRP having a massive rally, in my personal opinion. Definitely looking nice overall. The 30-day, 65.37%. 7-day, 39.56%. And then we have the 24-hour, which is 16.47%, and the 1 hour, which is 1.49%. So XRP definitely making crazy moves, almost at $1. So could you imagine that XRP at $1? Definitely come a long way for XRP. A lot of people were talking about XRP way back when, saying that it was going to rally and be higher than all of these Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Maybe proving some people right here coming up pretty soon, but we'll see where XRP goes from here. I know a lot of people are watching XRP to see how it performs, but $1 is definitely going to be a huge milestone, in my personal opinion, for XRP. Next, we have Dogecoin. So Dogecoin on here is up as well. They're at 26 cents. So on here we see on the 30-day, they are at 34.51%. 7-day, 33.70%. 24-hour, 4.49%, and the 1 hour, 2.19%. Um, Yeah, that's pretty good. You got into ETH very early, so shout out Alex for holding 500 ETC. Um, yeah, looks really nice. ETC, not really familiar with that one, unless you mean ETH. But ETC, congrats for holding that many on an average of 56. I might add that one to the watch list to see what that one is. Next we have Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is up as well. So shout out to the SHIB army, everybody holding Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is definitely starting to rally as well. On the 30-day, they're up 10.79%. 7 day they're up 26.81%. So massive 7 day rally. Just goes to show you that it's continuing to grow. 24 hours are up 2.36%. And on the 1 hour, they're up 0.31%. So Shiba Inu making moves. Shout out to the SHIB Army working overtime to get that price to continue to rally. And a great place where you can get your hands on some Shiba Inu is crypto.com. They are the sponsor of the UFC, so they're not an unknown exchange. So if you want to sign up for them, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. Get your hands on some Shiba Inu. I think that's the easiest way to do it. If not, you can go on Shiba Swap, which is Shiba Inu's own little exchange, which is on their website, but you will have to have a MetaMask wallet in order to do so to convert over. Bear in mind, Shiba Inu is in Ethereum-based coin, so you don't need a Binance wallet. You will need a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet to do that conversion over with some ETH in the balance. So just bear that in mind if you are doing it that way. Next, we have Carteezy. Carteezy looking good on the 30-day, up 68.83%. On the 7 day, up 60.93%. And on the 1 hour, up 1.09%. 24 hour, they are down 3.89%. But the 1 hour, it looks like they're starting to recover from that. Yeah, I'll look up ETC. Let me add it to the watch list when I get to the end of this one. But thanks, Alex. I'll add that one on here. ETC. Um, So next we have Electroneum, ticker sign ETN. They're up 152.87%. On the 30-day, 7 day, they're up 72.16%. And on the 1 hour, they're down 0.5%. 24 hour, they're down 0.08%. So not down too far overall, but definitely looking very nice for the 7 day and 30 day. Next up, we have Casper, ticker sign CSPR. Now they are up 82.30% on the 30 day. On the 7 day, they're up 104.94%. So definitely a huge jump between the 7 day and 30 day. And then on the 24 hour, they're up 6.91%. And on the 1 hour, they're up 1.05%. So Casper definitely making moves. Ticker sign CSPR. Next up, we have Bitcoin, ticker sign KAN. It is up on the 30 day, 107.93%. On the 7 day, 84.11%. And then on the 1 hour, up 96%. So it's kind of made up for this 24 hour dip, which was down 0.13%. But it has rebounded since then, up 0.96%. So they are currently at 0.00497. So very affordable overall. Next up, we got AirSwap, ticker sign AST. So they're at 22 cents. We can see that their 30 day, they're up 100.10%. So a lot of people want to jump into crypto, but they don't know which coins to look at. Looking at these, I mean, the 30 day hold on these are looking crazy. As far as increase is concerned, I mean, imagine holding something in 30 days ago. It was down 100%. Now it's up 100%. So I mean, you definitely can make a lot of gains jumping into the crypto world. So on the 7 day, we have 25.08% for AirSwap, ticker sign AST. On the 1 hour is up 0.17%. So overall, looking nice on that. It did have a small 34% dip on the 24 hour, but are starting to recover from that on the 1 hour chart. Next up, we have Lambda, which is up 50.75% on the 30 day. On the 7 day, up 17.32%. On the 1 hour, up 0.51%. 24 hour chart, we have down 0.83%, but they are starting to make that up for that 1 hour 0.51% increase. So that's Lambda, ticker sign LAMB. Arc Block is the next one, ticker sign ABT. They are up 89.02% on the 30 day, 77.95% on the 7 day. On the 1 hour, they are actually down 1.16%, but on the 24 hour, they are up 6.12%. So the 24 hour chart on them looking really nice, even though they are down the hour chart 1.16%. Next on here, we have Konomi Network. So ticker sign KONO. So on here we only have the 7 day and 30 day. So the 30 day they're up 143.97%. So massive gain for them. and then on 7 day they are up 33.55%. So looking very nice for KONO. Now let's see if we can add Alex's one on here, which is ETC. Let's see if they have it on here for Ethereum Classic. I should have known that. Um, ETC did have a rally a while back. Let me add it to the watch list first. But yeah, definitely go look at the chart on here. Ethereum Classic did have a rally. Let's go to year to date. So year to date, they did shoot all the way up to like 127. So 100 dollars per coin. So do you really think they can jump back up to that $100 value or $120 value? You bought at 56, so you would essentially be doubling your money. You are already pretty positive though, Alex, on this 60, they're at 61.64, so you're already pretty positive if you bought it at average cost of $56 per each one. So yeah, um, I don't know. I would see where they go. Definitely another peak value on here is around 79.88. That seems to be a pretty substantial peak for them, the $78.42 level. But overall, looking good. We can see there 1 hour, they're up 1.33%, 24 hour up 4.09%, 7 day up 17.21%, 1 month 35.04%. But on the year, they're up 810%. So Ethereum Classic definitely looking very sturdy overall as far as coins are concerned. So yeah, definitely a great pick. And we added it to the watch list. So definitely gonna be looking at Ethereum Classic from here on out. And congrats to Alex for locking in that 500 ETC at $56 a coin. So let's jump into some other ones that aren't on that specific watch list. One being Feg, Feed Every Gorilla. Shout out to the Feg Army. Everybody holding Feg pretty strong. So we can see Feg is still on a bearish sideways trade. So definitely going to be looking at Feg overall. They're ranked number 2,744 on CoinMarketCap. But definitely very interesting one overall. This one is in Ethereum based coin as well as a Binance Smart Chain based coin. So you can buy it on both. So on multiple exchanges overall, but very interesting contract indeed. Let's go on here to the indicator and see what you could get if you put 20 bucks in. If you get 20 bucks in, that's how many you could have. So pretty healthy amount you can get with just 20 bucks. So a lot of people are like, where can I really go with this stuff? Can I really get any money doing this? I mean, if you put $1 in, that's how many you'll have. So it is pretty significant, the amount of money amount of coins you can have by just putting in small increments amount of money. Is it Kita dead? It may be. Let me add it on here, and we can go over it. Let me go over these next two, and then I'll look at Kita. I think it may be, in my personal opinion. I haven't really heard many people talk about it since its inception. So, next we have on here is Keisha Inu, ranked number 2,672, so it is ranked higher than Feg. They're up 3.43% on the day. So definitely going to be looking at them overall, but they have had a large sideways trading or oscillation going on for about a month now. So definitely going to be looking to see if Keisha Inu can bounce back from where it currently was at. Let's do the same indicator on this one. Put $1 in a Keisha right now. You will have this amount of Keisha Inu. So a little can go a long way, especially if you just put $1 into these with there's spikes that come out. You can make quite a bit. Bear in mind, it's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest or not to invest into any of these cryptocurrencies. Just telling you what's out there in the market. But if you put $1 in, that's how much you'll get based on the current price of Keisha Inu. Next on here that was very popular but kind of fallen off in popularity is Baby Dogecoin. So Baby Dogecoin kind of jumped in popularity since its inception. It is a Binance-based coin. It's ranked number 2,607 on CoinMarketCap, but it's a Binance Smart Chain based coin. So better than mine, it's not based on the Ethereum platform, so it will be a little different. And they are down 14.99% on the day. So definitely a little bearish pattern going on for Baby Doge. Hopefully they'll rally back up. Haven't really seen too many Elon Musk tweets come out talking about Dogecoin or Baby Doge. So hopefully, if he starts his Twitter engine back up again and starts talking about cryptocurrencies, maybe Baby Doge will go back up with that. Same thing on here, $1 put in. That's how much you'll have. So quite a significant amount of Baby Doge just for $1. All right, so we had KK on here asked, is Akita dead? So let's go on there. Spam about motorcycles. No, I don't want to buy no motorcycle. So let's see. Akita Inu. All right, so they're ranked number 2,616. Oh my goodness. All these emails, Papa John's, LinkedIn, so many emails coming through. This is crazy. So excuse the emails. What is going on here? Anyway, all right, so going on here, we can see Akita Inu. I don't know why it keeps trying to open my email. But anyway, we can see Akita Inu on here looking very nice as far as stagnation is concerned. Been going sideways for some time now. I don't understand the email thing. All right, I'm gonna have to restart the stream because the email acting crazy. But definitely gonna be looking at if this continues up. And I apologize for that. Don't know why this email is going so crazy. But we have Akita Inu on here. We see that they are down 2.97%. They are ranked number 2,616 on CoinMarketCap. If you put $1 in them right now, that's how many you'll have. So Akita Inu is a little more expensive than some of the other ones like Kisha Inu. We can see that they did have a spike around May. What is this? May 11th, May 10th. So yeah, I gotta turn them off. That's my B on that one. Uh, I'll definitely have to go in and look at the settings and turn that off. But on here, usually they don't pop up though. But on here we can see they did have a spike around May 10th, but it seems to be the trend with a lot of these altcoins that they had a spike at a random time and then kind of went sideways since there. But on here we can see that Akita Inu may potentially be dead. I mean, what we have a month time frame where it just went sideways and then just continued to go sideways from there. So I mean, I really don't know what the deal with that is. But hopefully it can rally back up sometime. But I really don't see anybody talking about Akita Inu. It's one of the Inus that I would say has kind of been down the most. So out of all the Inus, I feel like Shiba Inu kind of rose to the top. I see that people talk about that one the most. Um, and in general, the Inus, Shiba Inu seems to be the most popular one. So if I was going with Inus, that would be the one. Uh, so let's look at, we have on here cat bread. I've never heard of that. Was that even on here? Here, cat bread. All right, so cat bread. So this is a Binance one. So we can see that they're down 13.36%. Looks like they're pretty stagnant overall. It's a pretty fairly new coin. They've only been out since the 14th or 13th of July. So um, definitely don't really know much about this one. Don't really know much about Catbread. I will have to go look into them and see what's really going on with them. So uh, make sure you give me some time to go look at Catbread, but I'll add it. I'll write it down as duly noted. NFT Arcade. Check out the website. Yeah, I'll definitely go check that out. But those are the ones from the list. If you get cat bread right now for $1, that's how many you'll have. So definitely very interesting. Not really many people watching this one, so it seems like it's fairly new. since there's only 1,000, like literally barely 1,000 people who are watching it. So very interesting overall, and fairly new project. So I'll go look at that. It says been out since May. Why is the all-time chart only showing from July then? Um, but all right, I'll go check that one out. Make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.